Alright, welcome to what might have been the most potent, cutting edge lesson in this entire bootcamp. We've discussed building your list of conditions, but what if you're unsure of the names for your issues, your conditions? You know your back hurts, but is it a strain, a slip disc, or arthritis? Today I'm going to introduce you to new secret weapon, your medical brainstorming partner, available 24/7. We're talking about artificial intelligence, tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Anthropic's Cloud, or xAI's Grok. Now let me tell it crystal clear with this huge disclaimer right up front. AI is not a doctor. It cannot diagnose you. You absolutely must obtain a proper diagnosis from a qualified medical professional. So why are we even using it? Simple. AI is the ultimate translator. It can take your plain English story, your everyday description of pain and struggle, and translate them into a list of potential medical conditions that you can take to your doctor to discuss. It helps you identify what you should even be asking your doctor about. You're simply going to have a conversation with it. You're going to tell it your story. For example, you can type into one of these AI chatbots, "I'm a veteran, my back is always aching from carrying heavy gear in the infantry for 8 years. It's a deep, aching pain in my lower back, and sometimes a sharp, shooting pain goes down to my right leg." The AI will come back with something like, "Based on your description, some potential conditions you might want to discuss with medical professional include lumbosacral strain, degenerative disc disease, and sciatica or radiculopathy." Boom, just like that. You've gone from "my back hurts" to a specific, claimable condition to investigate it with your doctor. Let's try another. You type, "I haven't slept right since my deployment to Iraq. I have nightmares, I'm always on the edge, and I can't stop thinking about certain events. The lack of sleep gives me a terrible headaches." The AI will likely respond with, "It sounds like you're describing symptoms that could be related to several conditions. You may want to research and speak to a doctor about post-traumatic stress disorder, migraine secondary to PTSD, or insomnia." Do you see what's happening? The AI is connecting the dots for you. It's taking your story and giving you a list of possibilities, a starting point for a productive conversation with your doctor. To make this even easier for you, I'm going to give you a valuable list of prompts to diagnose yourself and identify conditions you can claim. This is a downloadable guide with cut and paste prompt templates. These prompts are specifically designed to get the most effective and relevant information from the AI. You can just copy a template, fill in your details, and paste it into the AI chat. It will give you lists of potential primary and even pack tag related conditions to explore. Your mission is to use this revolutionary tool, take the prompt templates I'm providing, have a conversation with the AI, and see what it comes up with based on your story. Then add those potential conditions to your master worksheet. This is how you prepare for your doctor's appointment or come up with items to put in your VA claims application. This is how you take control.